Hi everyone, this is JB and today is going to be a first impression day where I'm going to tell that if that thing works or not. So let's see. Okay, so today I'm gonna try this product by Luscious Cosmetics and this is called BrowLuxe. Too good. BrowLuxe Too good. I don't know how to pronounce things, so I suck at it. So I've seen a lot of advertisements and a lot of things that, if you suck at making brows, I guess they make your brows look super hot. Okay, so let's see if this thing works or not. So I got this online for I guess $14.95, approx 1500. So let's see. It has a dark shade, medium, and a different BrowLuxe. Okay. So this slides and it has these straps inside. How cute! I like the, what do you call it? A tweezer. Okay. So I like the tweezer because it's pink. So we have a tweezer, a spoolie, and a brush for making your brows, and a mirror as well, so you can, do your brows on the go. So okay, okay, this comes with 3 stencils, which I like. Okay, so these stencils, I guess these are the stencils, like all you need. This comes in 3 different sizes, and I think this is gonna work for me, this one. We'll see how this works, okay? We will see. And we have a step-by-step guide. I needed that. Okay, step 1, select the stencils that is closest to your desired brow shape. We recommend one closest to your natural eye shape. Okay, natural shape, okay. Step 2, select a brow powder or mix both shades to create one of that matches your brows perfectly. Perfect. Step 3, fill in the brows with angled brow brush. Use sharp, short strokes or bold look. Okay. Step 4, remove stencil carefully and tweeze your brows. Okay. Apply wax and all. Okay, so let's do this. I'm quite excited about this, if that's gonna work. I don't know, I suck at brows, so maybe, people like me who suck at brows as well, they can, be chance in brows. Like, I literally suck at brows. I don't know how to even, shape them. So, let's see how this works. Taking this brush, which comes with this, and I'm just mixing both of the powder. I'm basically just coloring my brows. See the difference. I think on camera it does look a lot more different. Like, in real life I cannot touch it, but I guess it does look so different. Like, I think I like this product. Like, if you suck at, doing your brows, this thing is amazing. I think this is quite affordable, and I like the packaging. I'm satisfied with this. I am quite a bitchy person, like I bitch about products a lot, and I expect a lot out of, the money I pay. I expect a lot from a product, like, and this is amazing. If you like, subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up, like, and follow my all social media accounts, and that's it. See you next time. Bye. Bye.